Recipes to cleanse the stomach naturally. As my dear YouTube friends are in this opportunity, we will give you recipes to cleanse your stomach. Purifying the stomach has become a very healthy habit since, besides eliminating toxins, it improves the digestive processes and helps to avoid disorders such as constipation, ulcers or cancer, among others. Due to the modern lifestyle, many present difficulties in the process of natural cleansing of the organism. Because of the overload caused by the consumption of processed foods, sedentary lifestyle, and stress. As a result, it increases the feeling of heaviness and the abdomen looks more inflated of the normal. In addition, digestion becomes heavier and sometimes painful. Luckily, just make some changes in daily habits to give a boost to the body in order to detoxify. On this occasion we want to reveal to you remedies that reduce stomach symptoms while stimulating cleansing. 1 infusion of dandelion and chamomile to purify the stomach. The infusion of dandelion with chamomile is a purifying beverage with powerful digestive qualities that soothe the inflammation and symptoms associated with indigestion. Its regular intake promotes the elimination of toxins and regulates intestinal transit to control constipation. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of dandelion 5 grams. 1 teaspoon of chamomile flowers, 5 grams. 1 cup of water 250 milliliters. What should you do? Heat the cup of water and, when it reaches a boil, remove it from the heat and add the herbs in the indicated amounts. Let it sit for 5 or 10 minutes and consume it. You can take it up to 3 times a day. 2 celery and onion broth. The celery and onion broth is a food that, with very few calories, it provides large amounts of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other essential nutrients that support purification. Ingredients: 3 onions, a branch of celery, 2 liters of water, a pinch of salt, a spoonful of olive oil 16 grams. What should you do? Place in water in a large pot and put over medium heat to heat. Meanwhile, peel the onion and cut it into several pieces. Wash the celery well and cut it finely so that it is easier for you to consume. When the water starts to boil, add the vegetables, a pinch of salt and the oil. Let it cook for 30 minutes and consume it. Repeat your intake 3 times a week. 3 flaxseed water. Flaxseed water is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants that regulate digestion and metabolism. Its low contribution of calories and high content of nutrients make it a good option to purify the stomach and lose weight. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of flaxseed 10 grams. A glass of water 200 milliliters. What should you do? Add the tablespoon of flaxseed in a glass of water and let it sit overnight. The next day, strain the seeds and consume the thick water. Take it for 7 days in a row. You can add a little lemon juice. 4 warm water with lemon. The warm water with lemon in fasting is one of the best options to detoxify the body and combat digestive discomfort. The lemon has alkaline properties that eliminate excess acidity and improve the activity of the bacterial flora. To make matters worse, its significant contribution of vitamin C and potassium help strengthen the immune system to prevent viral diseases and nervous system. Ingredients: the juice of 1 organic lemon. A glass of water 200 milliliters. What should you do? Heat the water to a medium temperature and add the lemon juice. Consume it every morning, early in the day. 5 apple, celery, and carrot smoothie. This natural smoothie has diuretic properties, digestive and detoxifying that promote the elimination of waste and liquids. It contains fiber and antioxidant substances that fight intestinal difficulties and help control cholesterol. Ingredients: an apple, 2 carrots, 2 branches of celery, a glass of water 200 milliliters. What should you do? Wash all the ingredients well and cut them into several pieces to facilitate liquefying. Put everything in the blender, add the glass of water and process for a few minutes to obtain a homogeneous drink. Serve it freshly made and consume it twice a day. Take it, at least, for 2 weeks in a row. 6. Infusion of oregano. The infusion of oregano before sleep is another home remedy to calm stomach heaviness and purify waste. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of oregano 5 grams. 1 cup of water 250 milliliters. What should you do? Add a spoonful of oregano in a cup of boiling water and let it rest for 10 minutes. After this time, cook it and consume it. Repeat the same dose for a week. To complement the effects of these remedies and ensure good digestive health, do not forget to include in your diet a good amount of foods rich in fiber, vegetables, and fruits with a minimum of 8 glasses of water a day. Well, my dear friends, I hope this information is very useful and can help you improve your digestive health. If you liked it, do not forget to give it a like and above all share it with your friends, family, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hoping you have a week full of successes and blessings, I say goodbye. With a big hug and best wishes for all of you.